BMW. It's not a name which does require any kind of introduction. The whole world knows the quality, the luxury that BMW produce. This video will provide the viewers with the information on how BMW motorcycles are manufactured in a factory using partly assembly line and partly manual manufacturing. What you can see on the screen right now is a manufacturing process of BMW motorcycles, which is pretty much automated process, but it also requires human efforts to be put in, same as machines. So they are using mechanical arms, use of partly AI, and then assembly of engines. In this particular scene, you can see the engines are being assembled, camshafts has been inserted, other peripherals are being attached, and you can see step by step the whole engine is getting ready to be on the road. These are the bikes which are known for their long life and sturdiness and balance on the road. BMW is also known for its racing bikes, and they manufacture any bikes between 500 cc all the way up to 1200 cc and even more. Right now, what you are looking at is the manufacturing of gearbox for the same bike, and this is how it is done in the BMW motorcycle factory. So, as you can see, step by step, the engineer is putting parts into the positions, tightening the bolts, checking at every step, sealing down the attachments. And here you can see that once a side is sealed, the second components comes on the top and engine is getting ready to go on the road. All the side attachments of the engines are being screwed up, and how beautifully this is done. This is the clutch which is being inserted, and after the clutch, camshafts go in. This is not actually one bike which is being manufactured. There are multiple bikes which are seen in this video, all the way from 4-cylinder to 6-cylinder bikes are being done on this video. This is the engine head, which goes on the top, side skirting, and there it goes to the next step, which is the further processing and fitting various components, and then checking the pressure in the engine. And here it is moving towards the final stage of assembly. This is another one, which is 3-cylinder. And again, pressure testing, lubrication, and piston goes in the 4-cylinder bike. lubricants again, because at the each stage, lubricants are very important to be used so that the engine, when it is started, will not get scratched inside the cylinders. Screw tightening. In a bit, you will see the motorcycle frame is being manufactured. This is the spacing they are testing on it, and gearbox is fitted, and the final engine cover goes in, tapped with the light hammer, and it moves on to the next level. This is 6-cylinder, same manufacturing process, same precision, and same engineer's skills, which goes in. I mean, you wouldn't be even able to remember how many parts goes into these engines and where each part is inserted and assembled, like this one. This is the clutch, cylinder head is being placed precisely, and all the screws are being tightened with the help of the machine electric screwdriver, which keeps the reading of how much it should be tightened. Lubrication again, and next part is camshafts on the two sides, and there goes the cover. Very interesting one. This is one of the best pastime. Actually, if you are getting bored, watch these videos and you will see how the time is passed. Now the engine is being pressure tested. Again, this is the assembly of the chassis of the bike. Welding is going on using automated welding hands and some manual welding. These are the expert engineers who are doing it. And then the painting of the various outside parts using the arm, how the arm is being wrapped. It has been wrapped to avoid contamination. Look at the shine. Looks beautiful. And this is where the expert artist comes in to give it a real look, and then engine moves into the chassis. Chassis is being attached. Steering, or what we call handle. Brakes, front and rear brakes are being fitted. Front wheel and tire. And the top assembly now goes in. Rear wheel and tire. Very, very interesting. Fuel tank covers. And there goes the BMW logo. And now you can see it's 90% complete. Beautiful machine, worth spending money on it. The key locks, seat goes in, and that's it. This is how the full bike is manufactured. Come back again. Thank you for watching.